cloud native has hit a point where it has started to become boring because enterprises are adopting and
Yep.
it's all the dust has settled and it has stabilized. That excitement and that euphoria around cloud native and Kubernetes has reduced and enterprises are embracing, which means it is getting boring. So what do you think is the next big thing in cloud native?
Yeah, it's a great question. I'll say there's a couple of trends that I've been seeing. I think WASM in particular is really interesting, and there's some very cool work happening there where you can just get much, much, much better performance and better security with WASM. So I'm really enjoying following what's happening there and the team at Fermion. It's not one of my investments, but I think it's an interesting area of development. I would say another thing is, this stuff has gotten so freaking hard. Like, it's just so complex to build and manage these systems. And another trend that you'll see in my investing is like, how do we simplify this, right? Like, we kind of understand how it works. Now, how do we build something that makes it dramatically easier to build and operate these applications? And two of my investments, funny enough, both are in Berlin, are kind of in that vein. Zata is a Postgres-based database, but it has built-in search and analytics, and also like this Airtable-like UI to make it just dramatically more accessible, especially to front-end developers. But it's like, it's how do we eliminate the complexity of piecing all these different things together to build. And another one, we haven't actually officially announced it, but it's called Restate. It's from one of the creators and two of the core folks from Flink, from Apache Flink. And it's a new backend for distributed systems. And again, it's this theme of like, software goes through these phases of like unbundling and bundling. And I think we're in a bundling phase because cloud native has just gotten too hard, right? Talk to almost anyone, and trying to find and hire great SREs to operate your Kubernetes infrastructure and everything is just, it's really, really hard. And there's a huge shortage of talent. And so I think the next wave will be the wave that makes things easier. And then I guess one final trend, it's always nice to have things come in threes, is it's interesting to see what's happening at the edge. And in particular with data processing at the edge. We have this massive big data problem where companies are getting, petabytes of data, and everybody's, Splunk and all of their logging system bills are going crazy and their data costs are going crazy. And I think there are some really interesting developments that are looking at like, how do we do more of our data processing at the edge in a more efficient way, and then just kind of save the outputs that we need. So I think that's a really interesting trend that I have my eye on as